Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This is a sight to behold. This spacious three-story incomplete house sits on the hills of both Savannah, St. Elizabeth, providing spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea. The proposed layout includes lower level, two-car garage, storage room, ground floor storage tank and laundry room, main level, foyer, sitting room, dining room, family room, theater, kitchen, powder room, bedroom and bathroom, upper level, landing area, three bedrooms, two bathrooms, front and back patio. The land area of this house is approximately 15,682 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 39.9 million or US $259.2 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.